Good morning, Ma'am Teresa L. Birol. This is my report, the Integrating Forecasting, Capacity Planning, and Process Selection. Introduction. Integrating forecasting, capacity planning, and process selection involve using demand forecast to identify future capacity needs, evaluating different strategy and processes to meet those needs, and then implementing and monitoring the plan. Accurate demand forecasting is foundation inform the identification of capacity gaps, which then drive the selection of the best capacity planning strategy and the right process to ensure efficient and cost-effective resource utilization. What is capacity planning? Capacity planning is the process of determining the production capacity an organization needs to meet changing demand. The three types of capacity planning are categorized by their time horizon. Long-term capacity planning focus on one time horizon of more than 1 year. Medium-term capacity planning covers a period of 3 to 12 months. Short-term capacity planning deals with a time frame more than 3 months. What is forecasting? Forecasting in operation management is the process of predicting future events, particularly future demand for product and services, to inform planning and decision making. It uses historical data, market trend, and other information to help manager anticipate needs for production, inventory, staffing, and capacity, ensuring efficiency and cost effectively. Example: demand forecasting, predicting how much of a product consumer will want. Economic forecasting, predicting economic indicator like inflation. Technological forecasting, monitoring advancement in technology. Process selection. Process selection is a strategic decision in operation management that determine how a product or service will be produced. It involves choosing the appropriate production method from options like job shop, batch, repetitive, or continuous processing, and is influenced by factors like volume, variety, flexibility, and cost. This decision has a significant impact on capacity planning, facility layout, equipment, and work system, and is often made alongside product design. Case study of successful integration. Number 1. Healthcare administration. Hospital often rely on patient administration, forecast to plan staffing schedules, manage bed occupancy, and ensure adequate medical supplies by integrating forecasting with capacity planning. Hospital reduce patient wait time and enhance service quality. Process selection such as adoption of digital patient record system further streamline operation. Number 2 is public transportation. A transit authority use ridership forecast to design routes, adjust schedules, and allocate the fleet capacity and capacity planning. Ensures that resources such as buses or train are available during peak demand. Process selection including real-time tracking and automated ticketing. Improve efficiency and passenger satisfaction. Third is education sector. Universities and schools utilize enrollment forecasts to determine classroom capacity and hire teacher staff, and plan infrastructure development. Capacity planning aligns resource with predicted student numbers, while process selection such as implementing hybrid or online learning system support flexible and scalable education deliver. Conclusion: integrating forecasting, capacity planning, and process selection form the foundation of efficient and responsive operation management. When aligned effectively, they ensure that organization can meet customer demand on time, maintain cost efficiency, and adapt quickly to changing market conditions. This integration not only enhance productivity but also contribute to long-term competitiveness and sustainability. Thank you.